Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Now I'm just going to pick up the levels. This is my first inside bar or inside tail, lines up with a couple of levels to the left, and my next one is pretty much over there. Okay, and then in between this we do have the 200 EMA with a purple line, and we've got the 200 SMA further down. Okay, so looking at what we see here, nothing really to write home about on the oscillators. Okay, we do have this weekly pin bar, which is still pretty much in play. The buyers did come in here. There's got to be a reason for it. Now, I'm almost expecting buyers to scale in again somewhere down the line. So you can see I do have nothing really concrete on the levels. There is another level there. Okay, but nothing really concrete at the moment. So let's just look at the 3 hour. So you can see last week was a big move down and then a big move up. And what we have now is we've had a move down onto a level. Look at my oscillators. They are starting to group. Okay. We do have one green inside bar here, and we've got another inside bar and another inside bar. So we are ranging at the moment. We'll look at that on the lower time frame. We've got deviation from the moving averages. So I just want to have a look at the 4 hour just to see a pretty similar picture. Okay, what we're looking for here is I need a 3 hour close, which I did get above this negative 80 line. But I'd like to see that a little bit stronger than that, and during a trading session, not during the Asia session like this. Okay, so yesterday was pretty interesting, to say the least. We opened up the day where we had fairly strong crossover the moving averages. The only warning that we had was this grouping of oscillators here, which is saying it could be overcooked. We tested the 200 EMA again and then rejected that. And pretty much as most of the markets, got a pin bar and then immediately sold off. Okay. Now a couple of levels that I was looking for, and this was one of them, especially when I started seeing this price action here. I took a stab at a long here, which didn't last very long, got stopped out of that. And now we're at another level here. And this to me is something that we need to pay attention to now. I'm just going to fine tune my level. You can see this inside tail here was missed. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see us pop down to this area again. Okay, now the thing that you need to bear in mind here is that this double top here has not materialized, and pretty much this level of 25800 is the target. Okay, I'm fairly reluctant to be short here, but I'm also a bit reluctant at the moment to be long until I see some decent structure. Okay, and we still do have this this range break or double top target to go and tag. So yeah, I think for me 25800 is the area where I want to be looking for a long. Okay, now the bottom line is we are moving sideways. Okay, there's no real direction at the moment. You can see buyers and sellers coming in all over the place, lots of tails everywhere. So I suspect this could be a trend change. It could be a trend change brewing, let me rather say it that way. But we want confirmation, and I don't see confirmation just yet. Okay, so for me at the moment, I watch this level very carefully. Just want to go down to the half hour to tell you what I mean. So you can see we've had this rally up to the moving averages. Moving averages are together at the moment, but this could just be a bit of retracement for another continuation to the downside. to come and tag the level that we missed, which is this one here, 25,800. Okay, then it's a case of watching what happens here. The other thing to bear in mind at the moment, though, is this downward trend line has broken, retested once, so that is a possibility as well. Okay, so lots of merit at the moment for some sort of a long that's brewing. But the way I want to play this, and it needs to happen after 9 o'clock, because I want to see a break of 259.85, and then you have a 100-point stop loss. So you have a stop at 258.90. Okay, so that's the one trade that I see, but we need to see a break above here and a close above here, something on the 15 or the 12-minute chart. Okay, and that would give me some confidence that we're moving to the upside. But at this stage, I do see two bullish signals here. There's one, there's one. But yeah, we'll wait and see what transpires at the moment. Okay, so I think this is still political driven, so I'm kind of reluctant to commit to a trade either way at the moment. So yeah, for me it's kind of wait and see. We're not at a level. We've sort of tagged levels, broken, closed below the level, so I'm not really interested in that. I would be interested at 25,800 to see what happens there. Okay. Anyway, guys, sitting tight until I see a break of 25,985, or alternatively, we come down and tag 25,800. Those are the two areas I'm watching. Okay, and obviously I'm looking for a move to the upside. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and I will catch you guys later. Cheers for now.